Today I'm reviewing the Mooncool TK1. So I have worked with Mooncool before, if you don't remember that I had the blue Trike before. And listen, I was so happy when they reached out to me because I had never ridden a e-bike Trike before, and how fun. And so they reached out again, another company that I really love to work with, and they asked me to try this TK1. And this is the deluxe of Trike e-bikes. And so, of course, I said yes. And this baby can fly. So if you don't know, I am 58. I live in a van. I travel cross country by myself. I am in Florida for the winter here. I'm originally from Minnesota, so I don't really like the snow, so I come down here. And I am basically in a 55 plus RV park. And everybody in Florida has golf carts. I don't know if you know that, but they do. They love their golf carts. But here's the thing. I have been very popular and people have been very intrigued down here because of this trike. Because here's the thing, golf carts cannot go on regular roads. If you don't know, you can't drive them like on a street or anything. They literally pretty much have to stay in the RV park. But this trike e-bike, this TK1, can take you anywhere. So you can go up the road to the store, and it has a lot of storage, as you can see. And I am actually going to bring you closer to show you just everything the TK1 has. So here's the LCD screen, and this is how you turn it on. And it's going to show you how full your battery is, the miles per hour you're going, how many miles you've gone, and the plus and minus signs are for the pedal assist. There are 5 levels, so let's go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you want to go lower, you just push the minus sign. It has a sturdy set of handlebars, and as you can see here, it has a really nice handlebar grip with easy access to the brake lever. And this is really nice. When you take it out on the road, it has a left turn signal and a right turn signal. It also has a throttle, so if you just pull this forward, you don't even have to pedal. And you know, the all-important horn. It's got this really great, nice big headlight, so if you want to take it out at night, and a reflector. And how you turn the headlight on is you just push the plus sign. It's got this great front basket that you can carry anything that you can think of in, groceries, a handbag, your purse, your earpods, your gym bag, maybe your dog Toto. And you know, for me, I love it when a bike has disc brakes and these really hardy tires. And as I said, I'm in Florida and there's a lot of sand around here, and these tires can really go through sand. It has a really wide and comfortable seat, and as you can see right here, it's easily adjustable. Right here is the motor. In the back here, we have reflectors, and as you can see, the lights are on, so when you turn the headlight on, it also has backlights. Here is where you charge it, and you don't even have to take the battery out to charge it. One of the greatest features about this bike is that it folds. So you can fold it and take it with you. So come closer and I'm going to show you how that works. First thing we're going to do is take this lever and pull it forward. And that releases this, and we're going to fold it back. And then you can also fold the handlebars down here. And you can take off the seat and put it in the back basket if you'd like. And I love the look of it with the monograms, the Mooncool and the TK1. And I can tell you this bike was pretty much put together when it got here, and it took less than 30 minutes to finish putting together. The Mooncool TK1 has a range of 35 to 60 miles on a charge, and it has a max safe speed at 16 miles per hour. The TK1 is a great choice for older adults and persons with disabilities who are looking for a safe and comfortable riding experience. And it is recommended for riders who are between 5'2" to 6 feet tall for optimal comfort and performance. It comes in 5 colors: white, cyan green, slate gray, cinnamon pink, and vibrant orange. So as you can see, you can take this TK1 trike anywhere, and it's so much fun to ride. And again, you can ride it on any road. It's not like a cart. Like I said, you can't ride on a regular road. So you can take this anywhere, and it goes through the sand like nothing, and it's just a lot of fun. And it's really sturdy. For those that don't want to ride a two-wheeler, and again, it just is sturdy with the 3 wheels, and it has so much storage. I highly recommend if that's something that you're looking for. And so I want to thank Mooncool for reaching out to me again. Like I said, I love working with them. And I'm going to put the link in the description below. And they also gave me a code so you can get some money off on this. So there you go. And you know what to do. Go out, make an adventure. Now this will take you on lots of adventures, I'll tell you that much. Go out, make an adventure, no matter how big or how small. You don't have to sell everything and move into a van to have an adventure like I did. You can just get one of these and take off and go on any adventure you want. Go call someone you love, and as Joyce says, tell them that you love them. And don't you dare forget your magic. And always look for the good. I will see you in the next one. Bye.